All right, you guys, I got to talk about Luigi Magione because, again, we are in the midst of pre-trial motions, and these are huge. And I want to touch upon Miranda. Now, the Miranda right, remember, you have the right to remain silent, you have the right to an attorney, anything you say can be used against you. Now, here's the biggest issue about Miranda. Officers must give clients the Miranda warning when they are detained and when they are interrogated. And a lot of times lawyers will fight these two issues. Was the client interrogated and was he detained? And we're seeing this in the Luigi Magione case. But what we're seeing big time is the fact that when police went into that McDonald's where Luigi, by all accounts, was eating breakfast, his backpack was a little bit away from him, officers had actually approached him with a ruse, saying that there were complaints that you were loitering. Now, remember, the Supreme Court allows officers to have ruses when they're talking to people. They can lie about why they're questioning them. But Luigi specifically said, I'm going to remain silent. But officers continued to talk to him. Now, the issue becomes is, did Luigi actually say he wanted to remain silent? And the courts are really specific on this. You have to invoke your right to remain silent. You have to say, I am invoking my right to remain silent. I choose to remain silent, or I want a lawyer, and then stop talking. You have to stop talking. Now, Luigi does talk to the officers a little bit later. So the question becomes, should the officers right then and there have stopped questioning Luigi Magione? And this is exactly what the court is going to decide. What the defense is going to argue is absolutely, once he stated, I want to remain silent, the questioning should have stopped. The prosecution is going to say, look, he wasn't detained, he wasn't interrogated, and he didn't give a clear invoking of his right to remain silent. So the question becomes, do all of his statements get tossed out? We will see, and I'll keep you updated.